Chapter 3 Introduction to Windows 11. Insight Points. In this chapter, you will learn Windows 11, Features of Windows 11, the desktop, Snap feature, selecting and deselecting an icon, selecting adjacent and non-adjacent icons, opening an application, arranging the desktop icons, sorting the icons, changing the background of the desktop, changing the screensaver, shapes of mouse pointer, shutting down a computer. Lavanya, you have a computer test today. Yes, Mama, I am well prepared. You can ask me anything. Okay, tell me whether Windows is a software or hardware. It is a system software. Good. Looks like you're ready for your exam. All the best. Thank you, Mama. Windows 11. Microsoft launched Windows 11 in October 2021. It provides a graphical user interface, GUI, that makes interaction between the computer and the user easy. Without it, you cannot even start a computer or work on it. Microsoft ने अक्टूबर 2021 में Windows 11 लॉन्च किया। यह एक ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस, GUI, प्रदान करता है, जो कंप्यूटर और उपयोगकर्ता के बीच बातचीत को आसान बनाता है। इसके बिना आप कंप्यूटर शुरू भी नहीं कर सकते या उस पर काम नहीं कर सकते। आइकॉन्स, डेस्कटॉप, स्टार्ट बटन, सर्च बार, टास्क बार, नोटिफिकेशन एरिया। Features of Windows 11. Windows 11 has a complete set of new pictures, themes and icons. Windows 11 में नई तस्वीरें, themes और icons का पूरा सेट है। It has a newly added Snap Layouts feature that lets you choose different window layouts. इसमें Snap Layouts नामक एक नया फीचर जोड़ा गया है, जो आपको विभिन्न विंडो लेआउट्स चुनने की अनुमति देता है। It has taskbar icons which are smaller in size and the start button is at the center of the taskbar. इसमें टास्कबार आइकन्स छोटे होते हैं और स्टार्ट बटन टास्कबार के केंद्र में होता है। You can create multiple desktops in Windows 11. You can open chat window from the taskbar. आप Windows 11 में कई डेस्कटॉप्स बना सकते हैं। आप टास्कबार से चैट विंडो खोल सकते हैं। Windows 11 provides a Windows Store application where you can get a lot of free or paid apps and games. Windows 11 में एक Windows Store application है, जहां से आप कई मुफ्त या पेड एप्स और गेम्स प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। The desktop. When you switch on a computer, the Windows operating system starts loading into the computer's memory. This process is called booting. After booting, you get the welcome and login screens. Then the main screen of the Windows appears, known as the desktop. The desktop has many components like icons, taskbar and so on. जब आप कंप्यूटर को चालू करते हैं, तो Windows ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कंप्यूटर की मेमोरी में लोड होने लगता है। इस प्रक्रिया को बूटिंग कहा जाता है। बूटिंग के बाद आपको वेलकम और लॉगिन स्क्रीन मिलती है। फिर विंडोज का मुख्य स्क्रीन दिखाई देता है, जिसे डेस्कटॉप कहा जाता है। डेस्कटॉप में कई घटक होते हैं, जैसे कि आइकन्स, टास्कबार आदि। Let us learn about some of the desktop components. Icons. The small labeled pictures or symbols present on the desktop are called icons. They are used to open specific programs or documents. An application is identified by its unique icon. डेस्कटॉप पर मौजूद छोटे लेबल किए गए चित्र या प्रतीक आइकन्स कहलाते हैं। इनका उपयोग किसी विशेष प्रोग्राम या दस्तावेज को खोलने के लिए किया जाता है। प्रत्येक एप्लीकेशन का अपना अनूठा आइकन होता है। विंडोज टास्क बार। The taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop. It contains Start button, Task View button, clock, frequently used apps, etc. By default, the taskbar is aligned at the center. Taskbar एक लंबी क्षैतिज पट्टी होती है जो डेस्कटॉप के नीचे स्थित होती है। इसमें स्टार्ट बटन, टास्क व्यू बटन, घड़ी और अक्सर उपयोग किए जाने वाले ऐप्स होते हैं। डिफ़ॉल्ट रूप से टास्कबार केंद्र में संरेखित होती है। Changing the position of the taskbar, you can change the position of the taskbar to the left. To do so, follow these steps. 1. Right-click on the blank area of the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings. 2. Click on the Taskbar Behaviors section and choose the left option from the drop-down menu of the Taskbar Alignment section. Keeping the frequently used apps in the taskbar, you can keep frequently used apps in the taskbar. To do so, follow the steps. 1. Click on the Start button and then right-click on the app from the Pin section that you want to bring on the taskbar. 2. Select Pin to Taskbar option. The app will appear on the taskbar. It allows you to access the app quickly without searching for it. Start button. The Start button is present at the middle of the taskbar. When you click on the Start button, a list of applications appears. You can use the Start button to perform common tasks such as starting an app, opening files and folders, shutting down the computer, and much more. The top portion of the Start menu displays a list of the pinned apps. Thereafter, a list of recommended apps is displayed below the pinned apps. Task View button. You can create multiple desktops by hovering the mouse on the Task View button and clicking on the plus sign on the new desktop window. You can switch between multiple desktops that are helpful for keeping projects unrelated as well as organized. Search box. You can search for any application or document using the search box present on the taskbar. 1. In the blank field of the search box, type the name of the file or application. 2. To open it, click on the displayed application. Notification area. The right end of the taskbar is known as the notification area. It includes a clock, battery, Wi-Fi, volume and a group of icons that show the status and notifications about the programs running on a computer. For example, software updates, network connectivity, etc. The Show Desktop button is present on the extreme right of the taskbar. You can click on this button to minimize all the windows and view the desktop. You have been introduced to the desktop. Let us take a step forward to know about some of the basic operations that you can perform on your desktop. Snap feature. The Snap feature is a great way to improve your productivity by sharing many app windows on a single screen. The Snap feature in Windows 11 has some predefined layouts to snap all your open windows. To open Snap layouts, you simply hover the mouse over the Maximize button of any open apps and choose the layout of multiple windows. Selecting and deselecting an icon. Selecting an icon. 1. To select any icon, simply click on it. 2. It will be highlighted. Deselecting an icon. 1. To deselect an icon, click away from the icon. 2. The icon will be deselected. Selecting adjacent and non-adjacent icons. Selecting adjacent icons. 1. Left-click on the first item to be selected. 2. Hold down the Shift key and click on the last item to be selected. 3. Release the Shift key. All the adjacent items will be selected. Selecting non-adjacent icons. 1. Hold down the Control key. 2. Click on each of the items to be selected, one by one. 3. In this way, you will be able to select the non-adjacent items. Opening an application. On the desktop, click on the icon that you want to select and press the Enter key. The application window will open. Or double-click the left mouse button on the application icon to open it. Desktop पर जिस आइकन को आप चुनना चाहते हैं, उस पर क्लिक करें और एंटर कुंजी दबाएं। एप्लीकेशन विंडो खुल जाएगी। या एप्लीकेशन आइकन पर बाएं माउस बटन को डबल क्लिक करें ताकि यह खुल जाए। Arranging the desktop icons. As you arrange your study desk to make it tidy, similarly, you can arrange the icons on the desktop to give it a better look. जिस प्रकार आप अपने अध्ययन डेस्क को सुव्यवस्थित करते हैं, उसी प्रकार आप डेस्कटॉप पर आइकन्स को भी व्यवस्थित कर सकते हैं ताकि यह अधिक आकर्षक दिखे। To do this, follow the given steps. 1. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. 2. You will find a list of options called the Shift plus F10 shortcut menu. 3. Select the View option. 4. Click on the Auto Arrange Icons option from the sub-menu and observe the change. Sorting the icons. Sorting the desktop icons means arranging them in a proper order. To do this, follow the given steps. 1. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. 2. A shortcut menu will appear. 3. Select the Sort by option and click on the Size option. 4. The icons will be arranged in the increasing order of the file size. Changing the background of the desktop. Background image of the desktop is called the desktop background or wallpaper. You can change the appearance of the desktop background according to your choice in the following way. 1. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. 2. Choose Personalize option. 3. From the section select a theme to apply. Choose any theme from the given list. 4. You can also change the color of the background of your desktop from the Personalization, Background, Personalize your background option. 5. In the list next to Personalize your background option, you can select Picture, Solid Color or Slideshow. 6. Click on the Solid Color option from the drop-down menu. 7. You will get the color palette. Select any color of your choice. 8. A preview of the selected background will appear in the Preview section. 9. The selected color will be set as the desktop background. Changing the screensaver. The screensaver is an image that pops up on the computer screen whenever a computer is left idle for a certain period of time. By pressing any key or moving the mouse, you can again get back to the normal screen. Follow the given steps to change the screensaver. 1. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. 2. Click on the Personalize option from the shortcut menu. 3. The personalization window will appear. 4. Select the Lock Screen option from the right pane. 5. Click on the Screensaver option. 6. The Screensaver Settings dialog box will appear. 7. Click on the drop-down arrow under the Screensaver section and select any screensaver of your choice. 8. A preview of the screensaver will be displayed. 9. Set the time in the wait box as per your need. Use the up arrow to increase the time and down arrow to decrease it. Click on OK. Shapes of mouse pointer. You must have observed that while working on the computer, the shape of the mouse pointer changes according to the actions you perform. आपने देखा होगा कि कंप्यूटर पर काम करते समय माउस पॉइंटर का आकार आपकी क्रियाओं के अनुसार बदलता रहता है। Some of the common shapes of the mouse pointers are discussed as follows. Busy. It means that the computer is busy and wants you to wait. Normal. This arrow is used for pointing, selecting and dragging the items on the screen. Double-headed arrow. This arrow is used for resizing the windows or pictures. Four-headed arrow. This arrow is used for moving pictures and toolbars. I-beam. This icon is used for inserting text in a document. Working in background. It means that the computer is processing while you are working. Shutting down a computer. Shutting down means to turn off a computer. To shut down your system, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Now, click on the Power button. 3. Select the Shutdown option. The system will take a few seconds to shut down.